Hi everyone, this is me Nikki and you are watching IT Girl Nikki. I uselessly buy a lot of stuff that you guys already know of my bad shopping habit, but there are some things which I think I have, nicely invested my money on, and I thought why not I just share it with you guys. So this is going to be a very short video of showing you around what are all the things which I don't regret buying, although I bought it for the first time. Like वो मैंने पहली बार लिया है and I was very skeptical before buying it कि मैं लूँ कि नहीं लूँ, whether it will serve me or not, और बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज और नॉट, क्योंकि वो मैंने कभी भी पहले नहीं लिया था. सो आई थॉट दिस वीडियो कैन बी अबाउट showing you some 5 or 6 things which I bought this year in 2021, and I am extremely happy with the products and I would definitely recommend it to all of you to buy it, and the reason I will explain when I show you each of these things. So let's get started. Before I show you these things, I want to make the purpose of this video very clear. This is not to show off anything, although ये कोई भी चीज़ इतनी expensive नहीं है, and I also realized that expensive things are not the ones which fulfill you. So yeah, so these are very ordinary, normal, everyday use things. So yeah, I hope the purpose of this video is pretty clear, and I would definitely like to share my experiences by experimenting with these things, and for sure these things are going to be my continuous purchases in near future. So yeah, now I think it's the right time to get started. Mic. This is a JBL mic. A lot of people suggested me a Boya or Boyo mic, if I am pronouncing it correctly. So I wanted to get a mic for my YouTube setup, and I did not bought it myself, but it is gifted. But if it was not gifted, I was about to buy it. So this is a JBL mic, and I simply love this purchase. The reason is it is so compact and this is so pocket friendly. I think this cost about $699 or $799, and I have been using it for 6 months or 7 months of starting my YouTube channel, and I use it for all of my videos, and the voice is so clear, the background noise cancellation is so good, and I find this mic is extremely go-to for people like me who are not too much into video recording, like just one video a week. So I would definitely recommend this, and also I will leave the link in the description. This is not sponsoring me, this video, or anything, but this is just purely sharing my experiences with you guys, because I know a lot of people have asked me too that which mic do I use for my videos. So I think it's a common query, so I hope this helps. So next thing is pretty unusual, which I am not sure if you guys are interested in also. So when I came back home from Pune, like about 14 to 15 months back, I actually suffered a lot of hair fall, and the hair that you see right now, they were nothing 14 months back, and my mother was so disappointed with me, and that is why it became a thing for me to do some hair care routine. So that is why, for that matter, I ordered this coconut milk. You could use just any brand, just pay attention to this. This is not coconut oil, this is coconut milk. This is like any other milk, it's white in color, and yeah, you can, I know this sounded lame or what, white in color milk. Yeah, so milk is usually white in color. Silly of me. But yeah, forgive me for that. So I have a habit of continuously roasting myself. So yeah, because I find myself really silly sometimes. So that's okay. So okay, this is coconut milk, and I apply this like 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing hair. My hair was just this when I came from Pune 14 months back, and now pretty healthy, pretty dense, pretty nice, and I love this product so much. Not just this brand, don't pay attention to brands of all the products that I show you. you can prefer just anything that you like. I'm just showing you the product, not the brand of the product. So I hope you understand this. I'm not marketing or promoting any specific brand. Do I often post so much about this product on Instagram, and I think you guys know it already that I am so fond of peanut butter these days. I'm just obsessed with it. My mouth keeps watering when I think of peanut butter and sliced banana, and very specifically I want to mention crunchy peanut butter. This is just, even if I talk about it, this is just, oh my god, so yum. So yeah, I prefer this brand Pintola peanut butter, crunchy, unsweetened, 100% natural kind of peanut butter. I'm not guaranteeing of how much natural it is, but I find it extremely yummy, extremely yummy. And the fact that it is unsweetened makes me even more satisfied when I have it first thing in the morning, like my breakfast in the morning. So if you're interested, I can show you how I experiment with this single peanut butter in multiple dishes, and I just extremely enjoy this. It gives me so much of protein. Along with this, I experiment with a lot of stuff like fruits, oats, a lot of things which adds on to my nutrition. So if you are interested, I can show you around some recipes just in case. I'm an okay cook. Yeah, I can claim on that. So yeah, peanut butter for sure, protein for sure. I have been so unaware and irresponsible about consuming the right amount of protein on a daily diet, but I think better late than never. Yeah, so this comes like that. This comes as better late than never product for me, protein thing. Next is this. I think I love this too. When I was back, when I started my YouTube channel, I had a thing for doing the live sessions, which I reduced with time because I was not able to manage a lot of live sessions. It consumes a lot of time of my weekends. So yeah, so I thought and believed in more compact and concise content. Well, I story tell a lot, isn't it? Please let me know. I think I want to tell you something, but I keep on telling you the background, which makes this video extra large. I need to improve on this habit, but I'm still growing, still understanding, and still learning how to make my videos compact, concise, and contentful. Okay. I think I speak too much too. Am I a chatterbox? I think yes. So this is the next thing that I wanted to show you is this Sony headset. I know I'm an old soul, properly an old soul kind of girl which still loves Sony and wired headsets. I know a lot of you can spill the tea over me that wired headsets, like really, I would say yes, really, because it comes the idea of charging my headsets comes horrible to me. Horrible. I feel like I charge my phone, I charge my laptop, I charge bloody everything, and charging headsets, this idea comes so abnormal, paranormal to me. Alright, so next thing is, which is the second last thing in the row, is this chair. I will move my camera a little bit so you can see it. So this is the chair, guys. I got it from Amazon and I extremely love it. I did some unboxing video for it also. This is so compact and nice. And yeah, if you want to see the whole configuration, how to set it up, the product link so you can buy it too. So yeah, I will leave the link in the description. And this is so handy, so nice and compact chair, just the way I like. Okay, all right, so enough description about this chair and get back to myself and the kitty. And one thing which is in front of me, which is doing the whole thing, which is keeping my phone at the right spot all the time, and which is like the best purchase ever. I was so unsure whether I should invest 1,000 and plus on this tripod stand, but today when I think of it, I think yes. And I want to and I want to thank that person as well who suggested this. So thank you. I think it's the best purchase ever, and it was not useless to put money in it. I think a lot before putting money in all these things, especially जब मैंने पहले नहीं ली हुई है कोई चीज़, तो I think a lot कि पैसे डालने चाहिए इस पे, नहीं डालने चाहिए. So this is my ring light and this is the tripod stand. It costed me around 1200 rupees. I was struggling to find the light around my cameras. You know how laptop cameras work, right? So this ring light saved me big time. If you see my first video, if you see the live streams which I did initially, I looked horribly black screen, but this ring light, I think it did the thing. So how did you like my purchases? Did you find them worth it or not? Or would you like to buy any of these? Or if you have any questions about any of these products, do leave me a comment. I would definitely answer them all, and I hope you liked them. I don't know if this video made sense to you, but the intention was just to share what I know. And this virtual working from home definitely came as a surprise to all of us, and I thought that these things were necessary to have, and that therefore I ended up buying all of them. Back in office, I would have never thought to buy them for sure, but abhi I felt it was needed. I want to thank all the people who helped me select these products, because I was like a noob and I definitely needed some suggestion. And thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I think it's important because a lot of you just come and watch the video and you just leave the channel like this. It is for free, guys, to subscribe to this channel, and please come and be a part of this family. I absolutely value your subscription to this channel, and I hope it inspires me. If you subscribe to this channel, it inspires me to create more thoughtful content. And before I forget, because when I upload the video, I always regret of not mentioning about my Instagram. I post a lot of content over there. My stories are pretty nice. That's what I have heard from people, the Instagram fam. So I will leave the link in description also, and here is my Instagram handle or page. You go and please follow. Hit the follow button over there. I will follow you back, and I hope you like the kitty also. With that, I think I am switching off this video, and I'll let this Saturday be yours. One more thing, I'm going to post a bonus video on Monday because it is my birthday, 20th September, and I think I should celebrate this first birthday as a YouTuber with you guys, and I hope to have a lot of interesting questions from you guys.